Welcome to our demonstration of automating the ABB switch assembly process. Though the assembly involves just one step, the small size of the switches and the low tolerance of the assembly operation present unique challenges. Our implementation starts with the picking of randomly oriented switches from the orange bin. They are then brought to our main workspace for further handling. This operation repeats 3 times to ensure that we have a good number of switches to work with. Note that the drop-off point changes between every operation to reduce the amount of overlapping switches. Next, the robot proceeds to the tool switching station to change to the 2-fingered gripper that is required for the next operation. Then the robot moves to its image-taking position, where it uses the Robotiq wrist camera to detect individual switches. Our system is able to handle the 2 most common orientations, right side up and upside down. Here you can see the robot performing the assembly operation for the right side up switches. The upside down operation is a bit trickier. Instead of directly moving the switches to the assembly box, the robot must perform an extra step to reorient each switch. Finally, if the robot fails to detect any switches, it returns to the tool switching station to switch back to the 3-fingered gripper, looping the process back to the beginning. Thank you for watching our demonstration.